What?
No, 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 no. Wait.
Meow.
Let's go. Oh my God, I'm doing it!
Here we are, guys, back inside of Escape the Tsunami for Brainrots, and today we're checking out the brand new update that just dropped. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll be showing you everything new, including the new event, shop changes, and rewards. So yeah, guys, let's get straight into it. Alright, so first things first, as soon as you load in, you'll notice the completely revamped UI. Everything looks much cleaner now, and the shop has been fully updated. Inside the shop, guys, we now have a new lucky block, which gives you a chance to unlock different brain rots. Along with that, there are new game passes, a Pro Pack, an OP Pack, and some extra bundles added as well. Overall, the shop feels way more stacked than before. Now moving on, we also have VIP, rebirthing, and on top of that, guys, there are extra rebirth slots added. I'm not exactly sure how many, but there are definitely more than before, which is actually really helpful. But guys, the biggest update has to be the radioactive event. If you come over here, you'll see a radioactive spin wheel, and it costs 20 radioactive coins per spin. So how do you get these coins? Well, at the bottom left, you'll see the radioactive coin counter. Every hour, a radioactive event starts where radioactive brain rots spawn around the map. All you need to do is collect them and bring them back, and once you do that, you'll earn radioactive coins. These coins can then be used to spin the wheel and unlock exclusive rewards, which is honestly pretty cool. I also checked around the map to see if there were any new areas added, but it doesn't look like there are any new sections for now. However, there are definitely new brain rots, and possibly some new cosmic or rare variants added into the game. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything new in this update. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. And with that said, guys, I'll see you in the next one.